Hello Universe. It was around 7:45 a.m. 29th of January 2025, Washington DC. The usual hum of early morning in Washington DC is broken by an unsettling silence in the sky above. It's the calm before a storm, literally. Below, commuters pack the bridges, the Potomac gliding peacefully, unaware of the chaos that was about to erupt overhead. At Reagan National Airport, American Eagle Flight 5342 is preparing for a takeoff. Its wings cutting through the frigid air, unaware that another aircraft, a Black Hawk helicopter, is on a collision course. Also unaware of the chaos that it is about to encounter. Around 7:46 a.m., Captain James Rollins and First Officer Michelle Carter sit at the helm and their hands steady in the control. The morning briefing had been routine, and the plane's takeoff was expected to be uneventful. But that would be far from the case. As the plane surged into the sky, everything seemed normal. But below the calm, a deadly situation was unfolding. Around 7:47 a.m., a Black Hawk helicopter, preparing for a training mission, lifts off from its base. The chopper hovers and begins its steady climb towards the city skyline, but fate has already sealed its path. A few miles away, Flight 5342's ascent will cross dangerously close to the Black Hawk's flight route. Neither the pilots nor the traffic controllers could predict the deadly intersection was about to occur. Around 7:48 a.m., a shadow looms in the distance, impossible to ignore now. First Officer Carter spots it first, an ominous blur approaching at a rapid pace. "Do you see that?" she asked with her voice laced with suspicion. Without waiting for a reply, Captain Rollins adjusts the control. Something isn't right. The skies are not clear. Around 7:49 a.m. on the radar screen, two red blips appear uncomfortably close to each other. Air traffic control scrambles to issue the inappropriate warnings. Black Hawk 21, alter your course immediately, comes the strain command. But the message comes too late. The two aircraft are already too close. Around 7:50 a.m., Flight 5342's wing slices the tail of the rotor of Black Hawk, sending both aircrafts into a deadly spiral. The crash is instantaneous, a horrific burst of metal and flame. Inside the cockpit, Rollins tries to keep control, but it's no use. The plane is losing altitude. The right engine is completely gone. The cockpit is filled with smoke and alarms as it plummets. Around 7:50 a.m., the Black Hawk crashes first, where its tail rotor is severely crashed. The impact shattering the icy surface of the Potomac. Then the plane follows in its wake. The explosion is so fierce, it sends a plume of smoke in the air, filling the morning with a dreadful Around fog. 8:05 a.m., the first rescue boat hits the scene, their sirens cutting through the heavy smoke. They recover the wreckage from the icy river, smoldering fragments of the plane and the Black Hawk. The bodies of passengers, crews, and soldiers float in the cold waters. It's a scene of an unimaginable destruction. No survivors has been pulled from the wreckage so far. The river, once serene, now holds a grim story beneath its surface. Around 8:30 a.m., commuters stop in their tracks, watching in disbelief as the news spreads wildfire. The city is stunned by this accident, gripped by the scale of the tragedy. The questions pour faster than the answers. How did this happen? Why? And most importantly, what's next? How safe people are when they are into aircraft. The fate of the people who involved in this crash is uncertain, and authorities continue to piece together the clues that could explain how this deadly collision happened in one of the most air traffic regions in the country. At this hour, Potomac still holds the secrets beneath its surface, and with every new update, the story becomes very clearer but remains just as unsettling. Let's wait and watch for updates on this situation. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Take care.